Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sage oil. So continue watching to find out all the benefits of this oil. To make this oil, I'll be making use of fresh sage leaves. You can use the dried one. So I've already washed the leaf and allow it to dry. So I'm going to chop the leaves. When I'm done chopping the sage leaves, I'm going to add it into a bowl. You can use any carrier oil of your choice like almond oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, or coconut oil, but I'm going to make use of grapeseed oil. So I'm going to add enough oil to cover the chopped sage leaves. When I'm done adding the oil, I will mix to combine. I'm going to make use of the double boiling method. So I have a pot of hot water. So I'm going to place the bowl into the pot of hot water and allow it to boil for about 20 minutes. This method will help the sage leaves to extract all the nutrients into the oil. After about 20 minutes, I will turn off the heat and allow it to cool before straining. Sage oil contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. When I'm done straining, you can store the oil on a dark bottle. This oil can be applied to the skin. It can be used for treating cold sore, gum disease, sore mouth. You can also use it to massage to ease muscle or joint pain. It will help to eliminate toxin and diminish appearance of premature wrinkles. I hope you can see how easy it is to make sage oil at home, and I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.